If your outlet feels warm or hot to the touch, that is a serious warning sign you should not ignore. First off, as soon as you notice the heat, turn off the power to that outlet at your breaker box to prevent any risk of fire or electric shock. Next, avoid plugging anything into it until you figure out what's going on. It's usually caused by overloaded circuits or faulty wiring, so don't try to fix it yourself unless you know what you're doing. If the outlet is part of a circuit with a lot of devices, unplug some to reduce the load and see if the heat goes away. Also, check if the outlet is cracked or damaged. Sometimes physical damage can cause overheating. If you smell burning or see discoloration around the outlet, that is a clear sign something's wrong. The safest move is to call a licensed electrician to inspect the wiring and replace any faulty components. Remember, messing with electrical stuff without experience can make things worse, so better safe than sorry. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with a warm or hot outlet is ignoring it and continuing to use it, which risks fires and shocks. Another common problem is overloading the circuit by plugging in too many high-power devices without realizing the limits of your home's wiring. Lastly, trying to DIY electrical repairs without proper knowledge often leads to improper fixes and bigger headaches. To fix these, always turn off power immediately if you notice heat, call a professional electrician for an inspection, and avoid overloading outlets by spreading out your devices across different circuits. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who can safely handle electrical issues like this. It also gives contractors a platform to find real work from people who need reliable home repairs and improvements.